Enecsys, the leader in reliable solar microinverter systems, introduces the first microinverter specifically designed to last the lifetime of your residential or commercial solar PV system. The Enecsys microinverter system offers an outstanding value proposition for both installers and system owners. The Enecsys microinverter, installed at the back of solar PV modules, converts the DC power generated by the module to high-quality AC power for supply to the electrical grid without the need for a string or central inverter. This revolutionary system will provide your customer with maximized energy harvest from each individual PV module using maximum power point tracking. It will provide enhanced monitoring at the module level, and it will demonstrate the highest possible reliability guaranteed to last the lifetime of your solar PV system. In addition, the Enecsys microinverter system will greatly simplify installation time and effort, as well as improve safety for both installers and system owners by eliminating the need for high-voltage DC wiring. Enecsys offers two microinverter models: the single microinverter used to connect to an individual solar PV module, and the dual microinverter, which offers the functionality of two microinverters in one package. Together, the single and the dual microinverters provide solutions to accommodate a variety of installation layouts. The complete Enecsys microinverter system includes the following components: Enecsys microinverters installed on the railing system of the solar modules, AC extension cables used to connect the microinverters to distribution blocks, distribution blocks to connect the AC chain and join with the Grid Connect cable, the Grid Connect cable, which connects the system to the electrical grid, the Enecsys gateway, which transmits detailed performance information from each microinverter to the internet for monitoring, Enecsys repeaters, which can be used to amplify signal strength between the microinverters and the gateway, and the Enecsys monitoring system, where installation performance can be monitored online in real time from anywhere. Prior to installation of the microinverter system, please ensure that all storage requirements have been met. Please ensure that the installation is done in accordance with all national and local electrical codes. First, ensure that the power rating and DC voltage range of the PV modules are compatible with the microinverters. Seasonal temperature impacts on PV modules should also be considered. Enecsys microinverters can be attached to almost all PV mounting systems to fit a wide variety of applications. The number of microinverters being installed on a single AC branch circuit will depend on the applicable output current of each inverter and the maximum allowable AC current of that branch. During the installation, please follow standard best practice procedures for the wiring of these circuits, ensuring that all electrical connections stay dry and away from moisture. All work should be completed by qualified personnel only, following the installation guidelines provided. Follow these 5 easy steps to install the Enecsys microinverter system. Step 1. Install the communication system. Connect the gateway by simply plugging it into an internet router using the provided Ethernet cable. That's it. On to step 2. Installation of the Enecsys microinverters. Mark the approximate center of PV modules where the microinverter is to be installed. And note, when installing Enecsys dual microinverters, 2 PV modules will be attached to each microinverter. Position the microinverter with the product label facing the roof and mount the microinverter on the railing system. Be sure to record the serial number and position of each microinverter for reference purposes. Step 3. Connection of the Enecsys microinverters. Before connecting the microinverters, it is advisable to test cables and distribution blocks to verify cable continuity and insulation resistance. The Enecsys push-clip system makes the connections within the microinverter system completely plug-and-play. First, connect the Enecsys microinverters to distribution blocks using the provided AC extension cables. Next, attach end caps to any unused connections on distribution blocks and cables. Ensure the cabling is securely fastened to the railing system to avoid submersion in water. Finally, connect the solar PV modules to the Enecsys microinverters. Step 4. Check the communication link. Now, check that the gateway displays the total number of microinverters installed. An AC grid connection is not necessary for communication between the microinverters and the gateway. Next, check the strength of the communication link. If the gateway indicates the signal is weak, install a repeater at a location in between the microinverters and the gateway. The Enecsys microinverter system will be connected to the grid according to national requirements. Step 5. Set up the Enecsys monitoring system. Enter your login details online at monitor.enecsys.com and follow the simple instructions provided to add the new installation. Set the installation live and click Confirm. Next, notify the Enecsys support team that the installation has been set live. Congratulations, you're done. This completes the installation training for the Enecsys microinverter system, which can be expanded at any time. You are now ready to install the world's most sophisticated solar microinverters, guaranteed to last the lifetime of your solar PV system. Enecsys. Intelligent, reliable power.